Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at another rugged phone for 2024. This time it will be the Blackview BL8000 5G. As you can see here from the box, the phone comes equipped with 512 GB of storage, 12 GB of RAM, which is expandable up to 24 GB. After opening the box, we are presented with the phone and the charger. We have a Type-C to Type-C charging cable and a Type-C charging brick. This is the phone. We have the user manual here and nothing else in the box. This is the phone. You can read some specifications here on the logo. Let's peel this off real quick. Okay, here on the back we have a triple camera setup, but we also have, as what I can tell, this is a secondary display, guys. This is the phone. As I said, here in the back we have a secondary display, a triple camera setup, an LED flashlight. Here on the right side we have the volume buttons up and down. We have the power button. Here it says waterproof. On the left side it says shockproof here. We have a function button here on the left and the SIM tray. This is the SIM slot, dual SIM setup without expandable storage, but I don't think it will be a problem because the phone has 512 GB of storage. Now let's power this on. While the phone is powering on, let me read you some specifications. As I said, 512 GB of storage, UFS 3.1. Okay, this is in Russian. Let's go with English. The phone has the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 6nm octa-core processor 5G. We have a functional secondary display. The battery of this phone is 8800 mAh. The phone supports fast charging up to 33 watts. As I said in the beginning of the video, we have 12 GB of RAM DDR5, which is expandable up to 24 GB of RAM. We have a 6.78-inch 2.4K with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which goes up to 550 nits. We have dual band Wi-Fi 6. We have a 16 megapixel front camera. We have a main camera of 50 megapixels. We have an 8 megapixel wide angle camera. And this phone will operate in extreme temperatures for minus 20 degrees Celsius up to 60 degrees Celsius. The phone comes with Gloves Mode 2.0 with 30% more of sensitivity. The phone has Dock OS 4.0, which is based on Android 13. Those were the specs of the phone. Now let me skip through this menu real quick. We are now on the home screen. Let's go to settings and take a look. Wi-Fi. Let's turn on Bluetooth. Yeah. Android Auto. We need Google Play account for that. SIM cards. Yeah, no SIM cards. Other wireless connection. We have NFC, VPN, private DNS, nearby share, Chromebook. Let's go to display. This is the maximum brightness of the phone. We have dark mode, night light. We can change the font and display size here. Screen portrait orientation lock. screensaver, reading mode, lift awake, smooth display. I'm just gonna leave it at high because the phone already has a big battery, so I don't think it will be a problem. If you want to save battery, you can go on standard, but I would just prefer to leave it at high. Okay, back screen, let's check the secondary display. We can change the clock style. Personalized signature. We can write something here. Just gonna go tag through Tony. With color, you can change colors. Font size small or big. Okay. Okay, so the back display has a touch screen. Wait, let me see. We have music player. We have exercise health. We have weather app. This is compass. Turn on the camera. Yeah, so basically we can use this. Yeah, so basically straight out of the secondary display we can take a selfie camera with the main camera of the phone. That's cool. We can change the back screen brightness here. Back screen widget. Yeah, these are the widgets. Manual sorting. These are the widgets on the back screen. Music, number of steps, weather, compass, and camera. This is a cool feature because incoming call with back screen, you can have the phone set on the table like this, and if the phone rings, we don't need to pick it up. We can directly look it in the secondary display. Wallpaper and personalization. Sound and vibration. We will test the speaker on the YouTube shortly. Gesture and keys, gesture motion, 3-point screenshot, 3-point entry camera. Side function key. Here on the left side is the function button of the phone. We can go one click, open flashlight, double click, let's go do a screenshot. We can also use the function button to open an app from the phone. I would go FM radio. So basically we just press the function button and the FM radio will pop up. Smart window. This is a cool feature. We can quickly open apps straight from the side here. We can add more. These are the battery settings, usage time, and from what I can understand here, the phone was charged last time 29 days ago, I believe, when it was at the factory. So that's cool. We have 85% of battery. We have performance mode. Let's go through these settings real quick. We have performance mode. This will decrease battery life, but it will increase GPU and CPU performance. We have battery saver, super power saving, charging protection. Let's turn on the battery percentage. Accessibility, digital well-being, passwords and accounts, Google, system, and about phone. Let's go to system. System update. Yeah, no update available for the moment. This is a new phone. Now let me open a YouTube video. We will test the speaker of this phone and the display viewing angles. Oh, okay guys, I was not expecting this. The phone has an HDR display. As you can see here, it goes 4K HDR. Honestly, I would expect this phone to have, let's say, a high resolution on a YouTube video, but I would never expect this phone to have HDR display. The fact that it has HDR display, it's very good. Yeah, very, very good. These are the viewing angles. As long as you keep the phone's brightness at maximum, you won't have difficulties on watching a video. Now, let's test the speaker. Let me open another video. The phone has only one bottom firing speaker. The speaker is very loud. Yeah, it's good, it's good. It's good, you can watch a movie or videos in this phone, no problem. Now, what else? Let's go to tool bag. We have compass, high measure, torch, sound meter, protractor, mirror, alarm bell, magnifier, peak hanging, and plump bulb. This is the flashlight of the phone. For a small flashlight, it gives a lot of light. Now let's open the camera. We can record up to 4K. Okay, wait. I thought that this phone had only Full HD, but apparently the phone has 4K recording capabilities. We can do an HDR photo. We have video stabilization, video format, high efficiency, most compatible, grid lines. On the wide angle camera though, we can only record at Full HD. We can zoom up to 10 times. I will add my account, I will install a few games, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so we are now on the second part of the video. I've installed PUBG and a few other games. I won't be playing a game on PUBG, I just installed it to check the graphics. Okay, graphics are up to smooth and extreme. Yeah, so I don't think we will have problems playing PUBG. Yeah, as long as we play smooth, we won't have problems. Now let's keep PUBG on background and open Subway Surfers. Usually Subway Surfers is a good indicator if the phone is good or bad. If the game lags at the beginning, here where I'm at right now, it means that the phone will be bad. But as you saw, the gameplay didn't stuck or didn't lag. You can check on my channel because I always compare Subway Surfers. Now let's keep Subway Surfers on the background and let's open Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 is a big game, just like PUBG was. We will see if we have lag or not. Okay, the display is quite nice. Let's go. Okay, I must say that the colors of the display are very good. Keep in mind that this is an LCD display. I forgot to mention it before. Here in settings we have auxiliary function, we have gloves mode here. We can enable it and basically we can use the phone while wearing gloves. Here in auxiliary functions we have more cool features. We have detect verification codes. Let's turn it on, so when a verification code arrives it will fill in automatically. We have call recording. This will come in handy. We have scheduled power on and off. We have speaker cleaning and smart scan. Okay, so now we have come to the end of the video. This is a very cool phone for its price. You will find the link to make a purchase in the description below. This is a phone that I do recommend. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.